NCC Air Wing Cadet Singidamak Pangthoklipa NER Flying Camp 2026 ki manungsianna weapon display tawkhrei weapon display program adu kunthong de suba sector Assam Rifles na organize tawduna hojik sathariba combined annual training camp 16 kam Northeastern Region Flying Camp 2026 te saru yariba NCC Cadet Singidamak pangthokibani May 13 dagi kun fawba JNB Kumbongda First Manipur Air Squadron NCC Imphal ki miyeng makhada Northeastern State ki NCC Cadet yauna Cadet Chahum Yankai na saruk yaduna pangthokliba camp aduda pangthokiba weapon display program aduda Indian Armed Forces na sizinaba khulai sing amade matam asige sunaraba khulai sing display tawki kunthong doi suba sector Assam Rifle ki personnel singna specification operational role handling procedure amadi safety measures singi matangda sugaina wafam sing kaya thamke